Do you know what named entity recognition is? Well, it's a technique that involves identifying and classifying specific named objects within a text, such as names of persons, organizations, locations, dates, and other specific types of information. In named entity recognition, the primary purpose is to identify and classify named entities in the text. It's useful for many applications like information retrieval, document organization, chatbots, and more. Some of the common types of entities that are recognized are person, which are names of individuals, such as Xavier Morera or Xavier Morera, an organization that includes names of companies, institutions, or groups like Pluralsight, a location, that's names of places, including countries, cities, and landmarks, such as Costa Rica. The dates, which are expressions of dates and times, such as February 24, 2024. And then an event, for example, like the Authors Summit. For example, check this out. Xavier Morera is a Pluralsight author. He has been creating courses since October 2013. That's over 10 years now. He lives in Costa Rica. If I do named entity recognition, well, this is what I should expect. Let me show you how to do named entity recognition with a demo. Here's a sample called named entity recognition, which starts just like all the other samples. I'll just start running through, and I get here to the input text that I'm going to analyze. If you see below, the prompt is the following: perform named entity recognition on the following text, and it provides the text. When I execute, I get back the result. Person, it's Xavier Morera, the organization, Pluralsight, the date, October 2013, and the location, Costa Rica. It can't get easier than this.